7 mistakes to avoid when investing $500,000 in a Gold IRA. Investing $500,000 in a Gold IRA is a big step toward securing your financial future. Gold offers stability and long-term value, but one mistake can cost you thousands. Before you commit your savings, know the key mistakes to avoid when investing $500,000 in a Gold IRA. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 7 common pitfalls, and how to avoid them. 1. Ignoring IRS rules. Not all gold is eligible for IRAs. The IRS requires gold to be 99.5% pure and stored in approved facilities. Storing it at home or buying non-approved products can disqualify your IRA. Solution: work with a custodian who follows IRS guidelines and only sells approved bullion. 2. Choosing the wrong custodian. Your custodian manages your account and holdings. Inexperienced or untrustworthy custodians may charge hidden fees or mishandle transactions. Solution: choose a custodian with Gold IRA experience, clear fees, and good reviews. 3. Overpaying in fees and commissions. Many investors lose money to high markups on gold, storage fees, and sales commissions. Solution: ask for a full fee breakdown. Compare multiple providers before investing. 4. Failing to diversify. Putting all your funds into one type of gold, like only coins or bars, limits flexibility. Solution: mix coins, bars, and possibly other metals like silver or platinum. 5. Buying ineligible or collectible gold. Rare collectible coins are not allowed in Gold IRAs. Including them could trigger taxes and penalties. Solution: stick to IRS-approved gold like American Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs. 6. Trying to time the market. Waiting for the perfect gold price may lead to missed opportunities or losses. Solution: use dollar-cost averaging to invest gradually and reduce timing risk. 7. Not planning for RMDs. Traditional IRAs require withdrawals at age 73. Since gold doesn't generate income, you might have to sell at a bad time. Solution: keep some liquid assets or plan ahead for partial sales. Avoid these costly errors and make your $500,000 Gold IRA a smart, secure investment. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.